In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on autosync on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want your bookmarks, passwords, history, extensions, and other Chrome data to stay synced across devices automatically. So whether you switch from your laptop to your desktop or you just want a smoother browsing experience, this setup can save you a lot of time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in using the account you want to sync with. This is important because Chrome Sync works through your Google account, so the same account needs to be used on all the devices you want connected. Now, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots, which is the main menu. From the drop-down list, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can control your browser preferences and account options. On the left side of the settings page, click You and Google. This section is where Chrome keeps all the account and sync-related settings. Then, click Sync and Google Services. Here you'll find the option that controls whether Chrome can use your Google account for sync features. Next, turn on Allow Chrome Sign In. This step is important because it lets Chrome connect properly to your Google account and prepare sync functionality. Once you enable that option, Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser. If it does, go ahead and relaunch Chrome so the changes can take effect. After Chrome reopens, click your profile icon in the top right corner again. From there, you should see the option to Turn on Sync. Click that option to start syncing your Chrome data. Chrome may ask you to confirm your Google account and preferences one more time, so just follow the on-screen prompts and approve the sync setup. Once sync is turned on, Chrome will begin syncing your data automatically. That means if you save a bookmark, update a password, or open a tab on one device, it can carry over to your other devices when you sign in with the same account. It's a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference if you use Chrome regularly. If you run into any issues, double check that you're signed into the correct Google account and make sure sync is enabled in your settings. Also, if Chrome doesn't show the sync option right away, restarting the browser usually helps. And that's it. You've now turned on AutoSync in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.